So when you take a look at this front sheet, it says Poetry Project 2K21. And the first thing any kid is going to think when they see the word project is, I need to panic and cry and maybe pee my pants a little bit, right? I mean, we use the word project as like, project! Now, a lot of times projects sound terrible, and this looks terrible, but it's not that bad, because we're going to do 95% of it here in class or on videos online, and I'm going to show you guys how to work how smarter, not harder. There we go. So if you have a highlighter, a pen, or pencil, grab it right quick for me, please. If you look right here, it says your poetry book and guidelines. It must contain 10 original poems. Oh, dear Lord, 10 poems? Oh my God, I can't even think of one type of poem, let alone write 10 types of poems. Dear Lord, shoot me in the foot now, because this is terrifying to me, but Mr. Bean said he's got me covered, so I'm going to bear with him. It says I'm going to make sure I carefully type it or neatly write it. It's got to be presented in book form, and it's going to be graded for expressiveness, creativity, neatness, and completeness, okay? Nothing crazy right there, okay? That being said, Mr. Bean just said, where are we going to do 95% of it? And here in class or online through videos on Google Classroom, okay? But check this out. It says you're going to have a cover page, a title page, a dedication page, a table of contents. If you flip to the back right quick, it says it's going to have a poem page. I'm going to show you guys how to do these. I do not want Trace going home and going, Dad! How do I do a title page? Oh my gosh, I don't know what to do! No! Because guys, Mr. Beans can't show us how to do that where? Here or on a video on Google Classroom. So if I haven't shown you how to do it yet, take a deep breath and don't worry about it quite yet, okay? I always show you guys how to do the cover page, the title page, the dedication page, the table of contents. I'll show you guys how to do the poem page. So take a deep breath on them. What I do want you to do is look at the rubric and notice down there, how many points is this project worth? Oh, dear Lord Almighty. 200, not 100, but 200. Things just got real. Dear Lord Almighty, this will either make me or it will break me. Do I want it to break me? No, but Mr. Bean told me he's going to teach me how to work smarter, not harder. So this shouldn't be so hard, okay? Check this out, guys. On page 11, we wrote an I am poem, right? Right? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Hey, I got an idea. Let me take my pen or pencil right quick. Right here on the back of this sheet of paper, I'm just going to keep a running tab. I wrote an I am poem. Hey, is one of my poems already done for my book? Oh, snap. Let me dab on my ears. That is amazing right there. I didn't even realize it that I've already got one of my poems done. I just want to dab again. I'm going to dab again. I'm going to dab again. I'm addicted to dabbing because it's so much fun. Oh my gosh, I already got one of my poems. Woo! Lord Almighty, my blood pressure just dropped. Well, how about y'all? Oh, not really? Okay. Maybe I'm being a little bit over the top there, okay? So, I do not want Zai going home tonight and pulling her hair out and saying, I have to get this done tonight because this project is going to take us about a month to get done. So we're going to take a lot of deep breaths and we're going to make sure we listen carefully and follow instructions carefully, because if you follow instructions carefully, you listen carefully, all this will be a walk in the park. Does that make sense? Holler if you hear me. Holler! All right, fantastic, okay?